Okay, in this next video, we're going to examine an interesting debate between Ashkenazim and Sephardim, as dealing with how many candles do you light. The Rambam says that you have one candle. Well, first of all, let's take a step back. There are three different levels by which a person can light. So Ashkenazi or Sephardi doesn't make a difference. The mitzvah of Neros Chanukah is to light just one candle in every house every single night. That means you're fine if you just have one candle. Sixth night of Hanukkah, you light one. Doesn't matter how many people living in the house. You light one candle on the sixth night. Easy. That's it. One candle on your Yod Say. It used to be that oil was so expensive. Olive oil was so expensive that I saw one interpretation that said that it would almost be to light candles at the highest level, which would be meaning the number of candles dependent on the night. So six candles. Doing that every single night times the members of the household would almost be a year's salary. And it makes sense. A lot of the Gemaras today, it costs nothing to fulfill this mitzvah. But back then, it was an incredibly expensive mitzvah to fulfill. So the lowest level would be to have just one candle per night. The next level is that a person lights the amount of candles per members of the household every single night. Four people in your house, you light four candles every single night. The best way, what the Gemara calls mahadran, is every single night, every single person in the house lights according to what night that is. And that is today's Ashkenazi practice. Sephardi practice is that there's one menorah per household, and that menorah has as many candles lit as there is that night. So the sixth night in a Sephardi household finds six candles being lit, and that's it. There's 25 people could live in a house, so it doesn't make a difference. Ashkenazi practice is to have as many candles lit per night, but as many Chanukiyot as members of the household. So if it was the sixth night in a family of 10 people, there would be 60 candles lit on 10 different menorahs. The one difference you find in Ashkenazi practice is this is the general practice, is that wives don't light their yotzei with their husbands. That's the general, but that's some of the background as to how you'll see different practices in terms of how many candles. Okay, that's our fourth Hanukkah video.